Say goodbye to gym coaches and expensive sensors, because now your webcam and a bit of Python can count your planks for you. In this video, we build an AI-powered plank counter using Python, OpenCV, and Mediapipe. After installing the libraries with pip install OpenCV Python Mediapipe, we use pose detection to track key body points like shoulders, hips, and knees. With a simple angle calculation, the system detects when your body is in proper plank form around 180 degrees and automatically counts each rep when held for 3 seconds. Watch the real-time counter appear right on your screen. No human trainer required. Like and subscribe for more AI-powered fitness hacks.